Symmetry. Concept of symmetry. Introduction of symmetry. Line of symmetry for regular polygon. Reflection. My dear students, today let us begin our new lesson, Symmetry. One day, Rita was making a cartoon by bangles. Not looking good. Not a perfect one. Yes, it is a perfect one. Now this is looking very good. This design looks good. Why? Because if we fold this design through this dotted line, size and length of bangle pieces of these two parts looks similar. We call such figure as symmetrical. Nature is full of such symmetrical shapes. Look at this flying butterfly. This is also a good example of symmetry. Rita wants to color this butterfly. To save the time, she folded the paper of design to divide design exactly into two parts. She colored one part and overlapped and pressed the uncolored side on colored side before the paint dried. Look, the uncolored part colored exactly. When Ajay observed Rita in a mirror, he felt like Rita taking milk with her left hand. But actually, she was taking milk with right hand. Actually, the image in the mirror is a reflection of original image. If we draw such a vertical line between two images, the line is called line of reflection. From the line of reflection, the original image and mirror image is at the same distance. The concept of line symmetry is closely related to mirror reflection. A shape has line of symmetry if one half of it is the mirror image of the other half. Now Rita is showing two activities to make symmetrical designs. Take a piece of paper. Fold it in half. Spill a few drops of ink on one half side. Now press the halves together. What did you see? A design of two symmetrical shapes. Let us make a crying boy. Fold a paper in half. Take a thread and dip it into ink. Put this thread on one half in such a manner. Now press the halves together. A crying boy. This line is its line of reflection. Figures of two lines of symmetry. This is the shape of kite. What do you think? How many lines of symmetry a kite have? Just one. This is not a line of symmetry because it is dividing the shape into two unequal shapes. Rita took a paper of rectangle shape. She can fold this paper rectangle exactly into two parts in two ways. These two lines are lines of symmetry. Therefore, rectangle have two lines of symmetry. Line of symmetry for regular polygons. A polygon is said to be regular if all its sides are of equal length and all its angles are of equal measure. Thus, an equilateral triangle is a regular polygon of three sides. These are some examples of regular polygons: equilateral triangle, square, regular pentagon, and regular hexagon. Each regular polygon has as many lines of symmetry as it has sides. Regular polygons can have multiple lines of symmetry. Equilateral triangle, 3 lines of symmetry. Square, 4 lines of symmetry. Regular pentagon, 5 lines of symmetry. Regular hexagon, 6 lines of symmetry. Summary. If a shape divided into two parts and size and shape of that two parts are same, we called such shape as symmetrical shape. The line along which a shape is divided into two same parts is called line of symmetry or reference line. We have seen how to make symmetrical shapes. We have seen number of lines of symmetry for regular shapes. So that is all about in this topic. We will learn applications on symmetry in our next topic.